Hello dear students. Before going in details of the subject signals and system, we will see what exactly the signal is. So signal is nothing but anything which carries information is called as signal. Whatever thing you see and you will get some information, that thing is called as signal. For example, traffic signal. Traffic signal is nothing but what? It will give you the information. It gives you the information regarding if it is red light, then you have to stop. If it is green light, then you can go, and if yellow light is there, your next signal is ready to be red. So here, or you can say it is the alert message. So that is the signal which gives you some information. Then text, if you write the message hi, it will give you some information. Then image, if you see some image, it will give you some information. So image can also be a signal. Then electric circuit or electric signal or your Wi-Fi signal. Then in mechanical, torque is there. Various signals are there. Like here you can see various symbols are there that you can see on the while going on the road or highway. So that signals or that images can give you some information. Here on the right side you can see the blue color signal, that is the audio signal. So by looking at various figures, you are getting some information. So these are nothing but the signals. That's why the definition is what? Anything which carries information is called as signal. Now very first part in signals and system is classification of signals. Classification of signals. So whatever signal you are going to deal with, that signal has to be categorized into 4 categories, or it is classified into 4 classifications: deterministic and non-deterministic signal, periodic and non-periodic signal. Non-periodic signal is also called as aperiodic signal, even and odd signal, energy and power signal. So these are 4 classification. We will see one by one. So by looking at the diagram, you will get the information, or you will get the idea of deterministic and non-deterministic. So very first diagram is deterministic. In deterministic signal, the behavior of the signal can be predicted because it has some symmetric pattern. It follows some pattern, and from that pattern we can determine in advance that what can be the pattern in the future. So here we can say the behavior of the signal can be predicted. One important thing about deterministic is what? Deterministic signal can be expressed mathematically. So that particular signal has some formula, mathematical formula, and each and every point satisfies that mathematical formula. That's why the behavior is predicted. And in non-deterministic, obviously the behavior cannot be predicted and it cannot be expressed in terms of mathematics. That means the random, it has random nature. You cannot say that this particular point or all the points on this curve or on the point on this signal satisfy this particular formula.